In the previous videos, we went over how to create a warranty job, how to define which labor and parts are covered under warranty, as well as initiating a warranty part return. Here we can see that we have the warranty brake service job on the estimate. You can see that we've actually ordered these two parts. And one of the common questions we get is how to get a more accurate gross profit figure for the warranty job. And so presumably these two parts have been returned and we're going to get this money back. So if you click on the pencil icon, you can see that by default, we're setting the totals to $0 across the board. Now, you are able to adjust these figures as needed to reflect a partial payment by the customer or any other scenario that might arise. And so one of our best practices is to set these part costs to zero to show that you are in fact receiving this money back in a form of a credit or maybe in a cash or a check from one of the vendors. There may also be another scenario where you need to reflect the partial costs, for example, a $20 increase in the part cost or a $20 increase in the upgraded part cost. And so when we save this, we're going to have an important prompt here that asks you to sync that information back to the purchase order. Best practice here is to skip that syncing so that on the estimate, we actually show the cost that we're getting, the net cost. But on the purchase orders, we're retaining all of that historical information and making sure that we have a paper trail of what that part actually costs. And now you can see here that our gross profit figures have been adjusted to reflect that.